So hello guys, how's it going? We are back at it again. Well, if you guys do not remember, this is the 100 Agents 100 Day series. Well, it's about to be altered, but I'll talk about that later. Well, so this is our agent number 2. If you guys do not remember, what that basically does is it just scours our inbox and then answers questions for us. Well, this is day 3, but then I'm still on agent day 2, and then I'll tell you why. And I have a good reason for it. It's because I am ashamed of the last agent. I gotta say, that thing was a mess. So I upgraded it. Let's go. I got this. Okay, well, so exactly, I'll tell you exactly how's it going on here. But first, I think we gotta structure some rules. Rules. Yes, rules. Well, alright. Basically, I'm building 24 agents in public, not chatbots. Chatbots and agents are not same. Okay, well, and the real test I'm doing is if I can get the same result by just putting prompts into ChatGPT, that's not an agent. That's just a useless junk I spent my time on. Well, and then I'm not trying to have that. So then, exactly what an agent have to do is for me to consider an agent is it shouldn't be it just shouldn't be replicated with chatbots. It should have real data, whether it's through email, your Slack, even the weather API, anything. It just has to be real data. And then third of all, it has to be useful somewhere. Okay, you should be able to use it more than 2 times a week for just to have an impact on you. Well, if you guys don't remember, this is agent number 2, version 2. Okay. Basically, what it does is it just reads your email and then it just answers questions in plain language, English. Right now, it only has English and yeah. But actually upgraded it. So a few features upgraded it. It actually now you can just talk to it from your Telegram now, which is just awesome. You can just connect your Telegram to this, and then it'll just answer on that. Okay, but then I still kept the iMessage look. I just liked the look so much, so I just kept it. Okay, now let's just talk through the logistics of this agent and then exactly how it goes. Okay, first of all, let me just make myself smaller. Okay, well, yeah, now we have ingest. Okay, if you guys see that's what I started up with. This is ingest. Exactly what ingest does is it just investigates your inbox. So let me be more specific. Okay? It just goes through your email and okay, this, take all that, extract its data using AI, and then just turn it into a format where the user, aka us, can just ask the questions and then it'll just answer. Sorry. Okay. After that, we have run inbox.py-web, which is this thingy. Wow. Passport. Okay. Also, one more update I made was, last time I had to be extra in detail. Now I don't. Now I can just type a vague word and then hit enter, and then it just give me everything regarding that topic. Really good, right? Okay, so now if I ask you, find me a dinner bill, which I don't have in my email. Let's see what it says. Dinner bill gang. Dinner bill. I spelled dinner wrong, but it's fine. I didn't find any email containing a dinner bill. Let me know if there's something else you would like to check. Okay. And like this is like my favorite part. It doesn't give you an error. It just says, "Hey, I don't have this information." So you know you just gotta be more specific about what you want, or I just don't have this, and then you know you gotta give me more context. Also, wait, let's just ask you to be a bit more. How do I say this? A bit more friendly with this. Call me Marvin now. Marvin. Sure thing, Marvin. How can I help you? Okay. Okay. Right now we're just having fun with this agent, but then also we gotta pull up this because believe it or not, this and this have the same brain. This is working off of this, which is like, okay, sure thing, Marvin, how can I help? Sure thing, Marvin, how can I help? I didn't find any email containing a dinner bill. You know, you get the gist. I didn't find any email. You know, so you get the gist. Okay. Also, I gotta say, I made a version 2 because I just wasn't satisfied with the version 1, which is a really like I have to be satisfied, bro. Like if I'm not satisfied, what's the point? Okay, also our last video, I really loved that video, especially because I built something I really wanted to build. Jarvis. Okay, I've been seeing all these Jarvises online. It's just so fun, and then you know, so I just thought, hey, why can I not build this? And then if I can build this, why can't you? Okay, I'm just trying to say is we all can do what we dream of, and then with that, agent get out. Have a wonderful evening or day, depends on your time zone, and just enjoy your life.